The mixing process is typically carried out under controlled conditions, such as temperature and shear rate, to ensure the formation of a stable gel. Gel formation can be achieved through various mechanisms, including physical cross-linking, chemical cross-linking, and phase separation. Physical cross-linking involves the formation of bonds between the solid matrix and the liquid component through non-covalent interactions, such as hydrogen bonding and van der Waals forces. Chemical cross-linking involves the formation of covalent bonds between the solid matrix and the liquid component. Phase separation involves the separation of the liquid component from the solid matrix, resulting in the formation of a gel. Foams. Foams are materials that consist of a gas dispersed in a liquid or solid matrix. The gas component of a foam can be air, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide. The liquid or solid matrix can be made up of various materials, including polymers, metals, and ceramics. Foams have a wide range of applications, including in the food industry as aerating agents. In the construction industry as insulation materials, and in the medical industry as wound dressings and bone scaffolds. The production of foams involves several steps, including the preparation of the liquid or solid matrix, the introduction of gas into the matrix, and the stabilization of the foam structure. The introduction of gas can be achieved through various mechanisms, including mechanical agitation, chemical reaction, and nucleation from a supersaturated solution. The stabilization of the foam structure can be achieved through various mechanisms, including the formation of a solid skin around the gas bubbles and the use of surfactants to reduce surface tension. Foam formation can be controlled through various parameters, including the gas flow rate, the matrix viscosity, and the surfactant concentration. The properties of the foam, such as the bubble size and distribution, can also be controlled through these parameters. Applications. Dispersed materials, such as gels and foams, have a wide range of applications in various fields. In the food industry, gels and foams are used as thickeners, stabilizers, and aerating agents. In the pharmaceutical industry, gels and foams are used as drug delivery systems and wound dressings. In the cosmetics industry, gels and foams are used as emulsifiers and moisturizers. In the construction industry, foams are used as insulation materials. In the medical industry, foams are used as bone scaffolds. Challenges. The production and use of dispersed materials, such as gels and foams, present several challenges. One of the challenges is the optimization of the production process to ensure the formation of a stable system. Another challenge is the control of the properties of the dispersed material, such as the bubble size in foams and the gel strength in gels. The safety and environmental impact of dispersed materials also need to be carefully evaluated before they are used in industrial applications. In conclusion, dispersed materials, such as gels and foams, have a wide range of applications in various fields. The production of dispersed materials involves several steps, including the preparation of the matrix, the introduction of the dispersed component, and the stabilization of the structure. The properties of the dispersed material can be controlled through various parameters, such as the gas flow rate and matrix viscosity. While there are challenges in the production and use of dispersed materials, their potential applications make them an important area of research in materials science. As such, the development of new dispersed materials and their applications is likely to continue to be an important area of research in the future. Future directions. The development of new dispersed materials and their applications is an active area of research. One promising direction is the development of stimuli-responsive gels and foams, which can undergo reversible changes in response to external stimuli such as temperature, pH, and light. Stimuli-responsive gels and foams have potential applications as drug delivery systems, sensors, and actuators. Another direction is the development of biocompatible gels and foams for biomedical applications. Biocompatible gels and foams can be used as scaffolds for tissue engineering, drug delivery systems, and wound dressings. Biocompatible gels and foams can also be used as carriers for cells and growth factors, promoting tissue regeneration. In addition, the development of sustainable gels and foams is also an important area of research. Sustainable gels and foams can be produced from renewable resources, reducing the environmental impact of their production and use. Sustainable gels and foams can also be designed to biodegrade after use, reducing waste and pollution. Conclusion. Dispersed materials, such as gels and foams, have a wide range of applications in various fields. The production of dispersed materials involves several steps, including the preparation of the matrix, the introduction of the dispersed component, and the stabilization of the structure. The properties of dispersed materials can be controlled through various parameters, such as the gas flow rate and matrix viscosity. The development of new dispersed materials and their applications is an active area of research. With promising directions including the development of stimuli-responsive, biocompatible, and sustainable materials. While there are challenges in the production and use of dispersed materials, such as the optimization of the production process and the evaluation of safety and environmental impact, the potential applications of dispersed materials make them an important area of research in materials science. As such, the continued development of new dispersed materials and their applications is likely to have a significant impact in various fields, from food and cosmetics to medicine and materials engineering. Examples of applications. 7.1 Gel applications. Gels have a wide range of applications in various fields, including food, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. Some examples of gel applications include food. Gels are commonly used in the food industry as thickeners, stabilizers, and gelling agents. Introduction. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in the production and use of food products, including sweeteners such as aspartame and sucralose. Aspartame and sucralose are two of the most commonly used artificial sweeteners in the food industry. And they are found in a wide range of products, from soft drinks and chewing gum to baked goods and desserts. This article will explore the applications of organic compounds in the food industry, with a particular focus on aspartame and sucralose. Organic compounds in the food industry. Organic compounds are used in the food industry for various applications, including flavorings, preservatives, and sweeteners. Sweeteners are a particularly important application of organic compounds in the food industry, as they are used to provide sweetness without the calories of sugar. Two of the most commonly used artificial sweeteners in the food industry are aspartame and sucralose. Aspartame. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener that is approximately 200 times sweeter than sugar. Aspartame is composed of two amino acids, phenylalanine and aspartic acid, and a methyl group. Aspartame is commonly used in the production of soft drinks, chewing gum, and other sweetened products. One of the advantages of aspartame is that it provides sweetness without the calories of sugar, making it a popular choice for low-calorie and sugar-free products. However, aspartame has also been the subject of controversy, with some studies suggesting that it may have negative health effects, including the potential to cause cancer. Sucralose. Sucralose is an artificial sweetener that is approximately 600 times sweeter than sugar. Sucralose is made by chemically modifying sugar, so it has a similar taste to sugar but without the calories. Sucralose is commonly used in the production of soft drinks, baked goods, and other sweetened products. One of the advantages of sucralose is that it provides sweetness without the calories of sugar, making it a popular choice for low-calorie and sugar-free products. Sucralose has also been found to be safe for use in food products, with no evidence of negative health effects. Other applications of organic compounds in the food industry. In addition to sweeteners, organic compounds are used in the food industry for various other applications, including flavorings and preservatives. Flavorings are used to provide taste and aroma to food products, and they can be made from natural or artificial sources. Preservatives are used to extend the shelf life of food products and prevent spoilage. Some examples of organic compounds used in the food industry include vanillin, a flavoring that is commonly used in the production of baked goods and desserts. Citric acid, a flavoring and preservative that is commonly used in the production of soft drinks and other beverages. Sodium benzoate, a preservative that is commonly used in the production of processed foods. Future directions. The development of new organic compounds and their applications in the food industry is an active area of research, with several promising directions for future research. Some of these directions include sustainable materials, the development of sustainable organic compounds produced from renewable resources and designed to biodegrade after use, has the potential to reduce the environmental impact of their production and use. Health and safety, the development of organic compounds that are safe for use and have minimal impact on health is an important direction for future research. New applications, the development of new organic compounds and their applications in the food industry has the potential to revolutionize the way food products are produced and consumed. Conclusion. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in the food industry, including the production of sweeteners such as aspartame and sucralose. Sweeteners are an important application of organic compounds in the food industry, as they provide sweetness without the calories of sugar. The development of new organic compounds and their applications in the food industry presents several challenges and opportunities, including the development of sustainable materials and the potential for innovation and experimentation in the production of food products. The continued development of organic compounds and their applications in the food industry is likely to have a significant impact on the way we produce and consume food products. Challenges and opportunities. The use of organic compounds in the food industry presents several challenges and opportunities. Some of the challenges include health and safety. The use of organic compounds in food products can present health and safety concerns, particularly in terms of the potential for negative health effects. Environmental impact. The production and disposal of organic compounds can have a significant environmental impact, particularly in terms of the use of resources and the generation of waste. On the other hand, the use of organic compounds in the food industry also presents several Opportunities, including new applications. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in the food industry, and the development of new products and applications is an active area of research. Sustainable materials, the development of sustainable organic compounds, produced from renewable resources and designed to biodegrade after use, has the potential to reduce the environmental impact of their production and use. Innovation, the use of organic compounds in the food industry allows for innovation and experimentation, particularly in the development of new flavors and products. Conclusion. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in the food industry, including the production of sweeteners such as aspartame and sucralose. The use of organic compounds presents several challenges and opportunities, including the development of sustainable materials and the potential for innovation and experimentation in the production of food products. The continued development of organic compounds and their applications in the food industry is likely to have a significant impact on the way we produce and consume food products. And it is important to continue to research and develop new organic compounds that are safe and sustainable for use in food products. Ethical considerations. The use of organic compounds in the food industry raises several ethical considerations, particularly in terms of the potential health effects of these compounds. Aspartame, for example, has been the subject of controversy, with some studies suggesting that it may be carcinogenic. It is important for food companies and regulatory agencies to carefully evaluate the safety of organic compounds before they are used in food products. Another ethical consideration is the impact of organic compound production on the environment. The production and disposal of organic compounds can have a significant environmental impact, including the use of resources such as water and energy, and the generation of waste. It is important for food companies to consider the environmental impact of organic compound production and disposal when making decisions about their use in food products. Regulation. The use of organic compounds in the food industry is regulated by various government agencies, including the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, in the United States and the European Food Safety Authority, EFSA, in Europe. These agencies evaluate the safety of organic compounds before they are approved for use in food products. In the United States, aspartame and sucralose are both approved for use in food products by the FDA. The FDA has established an acceptable daily intake, ADI, for aspartame of 50 mg. Introduction. Foaming agents and elastomers are common products used in a variety of industries, including food and beverage, construction, and automotive. Foaming agents are used to create a variety of products, including foam insulation, foam packaging, and whipped cream. Elastomers, on the other hand, are used to create materials that are elastic and flexible, such as rubber gaskets and seals. This article will explore the technology behind foaming agents and elastomers, including the use of products such as N2O and acrylic adhesives. Foaming agents. Foaming agents are used to create foam products, which have a variety of applications in different industries. One of the most commonly used foaming agents is nitrous oxide, N2O. N2O is a colorless gas that is commonly used in whipped cream dispensers to create whipped cream. N2O is also used to create foam insulation for buildings and foam packaging for shipping products. In addition, other gases such as carbon dioxide and nitrogen are used as foaming agents in different applications. Elastomers. Elastomers are materials that can stretch and return to their original shape when subjected to stress. Elastomers are used to create materials that are flexible and elastic, such as rubber gaskets and seals. One of the key ingredients in elastomers is acrylic adhesives. Acrylic adhesives are used as a binding agent in the production of elastomers. Acrylic adhesives are known for their excellent bonding properties, and they are used to create materials that are strong and durable. Acrylic adhesives are also used in a variety of other applications, including automotive manufacturing and construction. Technology behind foaming agents and elastomers. The technology behind foaming agents and elastomers involves the careful selection and combination of different ingredients to create materials with specific properties. For foaming agents, the selection of the appropriate gas and the correct combination of other ingredients, such as surfactants and stabilizers, is critical to creating a foam product with the desired properties. For elastomers, the selection of the appropriate acrylic adhesive and other ingredients, such as fillers and crosslinkers, is critical to creating a flexible and elastic material with the desired properties. Environmental impact. The use of foaming agents and elastomers can have a significant environmental impact, particularly in terms of the production and disposal of these products. Foaming agents such as N2O can contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, and the disposal of foam products can create waste that is difficult to recycle. Similarly, the production and disposal of elastomers can have a significant environmental impact, particularly in terms of the use of resources such as energy and water. It is important for industries that use foaming agents and elastomers to carefully consider the environmental impact of these products and to work to minimize their impact on the environment. Future directions. The continued development of technology related to foaming agents and elastomers is likely to have a significant impact on a variety of industries. Some potential future directions for the use of foaming agents and elastomers include sustainable materials, the development of foaming agents and elastomers using sustainable materials, such as biodegradable polymers, has the potential to reduce the environmental impact of their production and use. New applications, the development of new foaming agents and elastomers with unique properties has the potential to revolutionize the way these products are used in various industries. Recycling, the development of new recycling technologies for foaming agents and elastomers has the potential to reduce waste and minimize the environmental impact of these products. Conclusion. Foaming agents and elastomers are important products used in a variety of industries, including food and beverage, construction, and automotive. The technology behind these products involves the careful selection and combination of different ingredients to create materials with specific properties. While the use of foaming agents and elastomers can have a significant environmental impact, the continued development of sustainable materials and recycling technologies has the potential to minimize this impact in the future. Challenges and opportunities. The use of foaming agents and elastomers presents several challenges and opportunities. Some of the challenges include environmental impact, the production and disposal of foaming agents and elastomers can have a significant environmental impact, particularly in terms of the use of resources and the generation of waste. Health and safety. The use of foaming agents and elastomers can present health and safety concerns, particularly in terms of the potential for exposure to harmful chemicals. On the other hand, the use of foaming agents and elastomers also presents several opportunities, including new applications. The development of new foaming agents and elastomers with unique properties has the potential to open up new applications and markets. Innovation. The use of foaming agents and elastomers allows for innovation and experimentation, particularly in the development of new products and materials. Sustainability. The development of sustainable foaming agents and elastomers has the potential to reduce the environmental impact of their production and use. Regulation. The use of foaming agents and elastomers is regulated by various government agencies, including the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, in the United States and the European Chemicals Agency, ECHA, in Europe. These agencies evaluate the safety of these products before they are approved for use in various applications. In the United States, the EPA regulates the use of foaming agents and elastomers under the Toxic Substances Control Act (TSCA). Under the TSCA, companies are required to submit information on the chemical properties and potential health and environmental impacts of their products. In Europe, the use of foaming agents and elastomers is regulated under the Registration, Evaluation, Authorization and Restriction of Chemicals (REACH) regulation. Under REACH, companies are required to register their products with the ECHA and provide information on their chemical properties and potential health and environmental impacts. Ethical considerations. The use of foaming agents and elastomers raises several ethical considerations, particularly in terms of the potential health and environmental impacts of these products. It is important for industries that use these products to carefully evaluate their safety and environmental impact, and to work to minimize their impact on human health and the environment. In addition, there are ethical considerations related to the use of these products in different industries. For example, the use of foaming agents in food and beverage products may raise concerns about the safety and health impacts of these products on consumers. Conclusion. Foaming agents and elastomers are important products used in a variety of industries, including food and beverage, construction, and automotive. The technology behind these products involves the careful selection and combination of different ingredients to create materials with specific properties. While the use of foaming agents and elastomers can have a significant environmental impact and raise ethical considerations, the continued development of sustainable materials and recycling technologies has the potential to minimize this impact in the future. It is important for industries that use these products to carefully evaluate their safety and environmental impact, and to work to minimize their impact on human health and the environment. Case study: Foam insulation. Foam insulation is a common application of foaming agents in the construction industry. Foam insulation is used to insulate buildings and homes, and can help reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Chemical elements and the periodic table. Chemical elements are the building blocks of matter. Everything around us, from the air we breathe to the food we eat and the devices we use, is made up of chemical elements. There are currently 118 known chemical elements, each with its unique properties and characteristics. In this article, we will explore the history of the discovery of chemical elements, their classification, and the periodic table. Discovery of chemical elements. The ancient Greeks and Chinese were aware of some elements such as gold, silver, lead, and copper. However, they did not have a systematic way of organizing them. It was not until the 18th century that the study of chemistry began to develop rapidly. During this time, scientists began to isolate new elements such as phosphorus, sulfur, and carbon. In 1789, Antoine Lavoisier published a list of 33 elements, which included oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. However, the discovery of new elements continued, and by the mid-19th century, over 60 elements had been discovered. Classification of chemical elements. As more elements were discovered, scientists attempted to find ways to classify them. In 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev proposed the periodic table, which arranged elements in order of increasing atomic weight. The table had rows and columns, and elements with similar properties were placed in the same column. Mendeleev's periodic table was not perfect, as it left gaps for elements that had not yet been discovered. However, it was a significant step forward in organizing the elements. Over time, the periodic table was refined and improved, and the modern periodic table we use today is based on the work of many scientists. The modern periodic table arranges elements in order of increasing atomic number, which is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Elements in the same row have the same number of electron shells, while elements in the same column have the same number of valence electrons. Properties of chemical elements. Each chemical element has its unique set of properties, including its atomic number, mass, density, and boiling and melting points. These properties are determined by the arrangement of particles in the atom, which includes protons, neutrons, and electrons. The atomic number of an element is the number of protons in its nucleus, while the mass number is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons. The density of an element is its mass per unit volume, while the boiling and melting points are the temperatures at which an element changes from a solid to a liquid and from a liquid to a gas, respectively. The periodic table also provides information about the reactivity of elements. Elements on the left side of the periodic table, such as the alkali metals, are highly reactive and readily combine with other elements to form compounds. Elements on the right side of the periodic table, such as the noble gases, are less reactive and do not readily form compounds. Uses of chemical elements. Chemical elements have many practical uses in our daily lives. For example, oxygen is essential for respiration, while carbon is a component of all organic molecules. Metals such as iron, copper, and aluminum are used in construction and manufacturing, while silver and gold are used in jewelry and currency. Many elements have also been used to develop new technologies. For example, silicon is used in the production of computer chips, while lithium is used in batteries. Radioactive elements such as uranium and plutonium have been used in nuclear power and weapons. Conclusion. In conclusion, chemical elements are the fundamental components of matter, and the periodic table provides a way to organize and understand them. The discovery of new elements and the refinement of the periodic table have led to a greater understanding of the properties and uses of chemical elements. From the air we breathe to the devices we use, chemical elements play a vital role in our daily lives. Future of chemical elements. The discovery and study of chemical elements are ongoing, and scientists continue to explore new frontiers in this field. Recently, 4 new elements were added to the periodic table, bringing the total number of known elements to 118. These elements were synthesized in laboratories and have short half-lives, making them difficult to study. In addition, scientists are exploring the possibility of creating new elements with even higher atomic numbers. Theoretical models suggest that it may be possible to create elements with atomic numbers as high as 172. However, it remains to be seen whether these elements can be synthesized and studied. Furthermore, scientists are also exploring the properties of elements under extreme conditions, such as high pressure and high temperature. These studies have revealed new and unexpected behaviors of elements, which could have practical applications in fields such as materials science and energy production. Conclusion. In conclusion, the discovery and study of chemical elements have come a long way since the ancient Greeks and Chinese first identified some of them. The periodic table has provided a framework for organizing and understanding the properties of elements, and it continues to be refined and improved. The study of chemical elements has practical applications in fields such as medicine, technology, and energy production, and it has the potential to contribute to further scientific advancements in the future. As we continue to explore new frontiers in this field, we will undoubtedly discover new and exciting properties of chemical elements that could have a profound impact on our lives. Importance of understanding chemical elements. Understanding chemical elements is important for several reasons. First, it allows us to understand the properties and behavior of matter at a fundamental level. This understanding forms the basis for many practical applications, such as the development of new materials and technologies. Second, understanding chemical elements is important for developing new drugs and treatments for diseases. Many drugs target specific chemical elements in the body, such as enzymes or receptors, and an understanding of these elements is critical for developing effective treatments. Third, understanding chemical elements is essential for addressing environmental issues. Chemical elements are present in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat, and they can have harmful effects on human health and the environment if they are not properly managed. Finally, understanding chemical elements is important for promoting scientific literacy and advancing scientific progress. By understanding the basic principles of chemistry, we can better appreciate the advances and discoveries made in this field and contribute to further scientific advancements. Conclusion. In conclusion, chemical elements and the periodic table are the building blocks of matter, and an understanding of them is essential for many practical applications in fields such as medicine, technology, and environmental management. As we continue to explore new frontiers in this field, we will undoubtedly discover new and exciting properties of chemical elements that could have a profound impact on our lives. The use of adhesive products in technology, epoxy and acrylate adhesives. Adhesives are essential in modern technology, providing a means of bonding materials together without the need for mechanical fasteners such as bolts or screws. Epoxy and acrylate adhesives are two of the most commonly used types of adhesive products in technology today. In this article, we will explore the properties and applications of these adhesives. Epoxy adhesives. Epoxy adhesives are a type of thermosetting adhesive that is composed of two parts, a resin and a hardener. When these two components are mixed together, a chemical reaction occurs, causing the adhesive to harden and form a strong bond. Epoxy adhesives have several properties that make them ideal for use. In technology, including high strength, epoxy adhesives can bond materials with high tensile strength, making them ideal for use in structural applications. Chemical resistance. Epoxy adhesives are resistant to a wide range of chemicals, making them suitable for use in harsh environments. Temperature resistance. Epoxy adhesives can withstand high temperatures, making them ideal for use in applications that require high temperature resistance. Electrical insulation. Epoxy adhesives have excellent electrical insulation properties, making them ideal for use in electronic applications. Applications of epoxy adhesives. Epoxy adhesives have a wide range of applications in technology, including aerospace. Epoxy adhesives are used in the construction of aircraft, providing a strong and lightweight bond. Automotive. Epoxy adhesives are used in the assembly of automotive parts, providing a strong and durable bond. Electronics. Epoxy adhesives are used in the production of electronic devices, providing excellent electrical insulation properties. Construction. Epoxy adhesives are used in the construction of buildings and bridges, providing a strong and durable bond. Acrylate adhesives. Acrylate adhesives are a type of thermoplastic adhesive that is composed of a mixture of acrylic monomers and a photoinitiator. When exposed to UV light, the photoinitiator causes the adhesive to polymerize and form a strong bond. Acrylate adhesives have several properties that make them ideal for use in technology, including fast curing. Acrylate adhesives cure quickly when exposed to UV light, making them ideal for use in high-speed production environments. Transparency. Acrylate adhesives are transparent, making them ideal for use in applications where aesthetics are important. Chemical resistance. Acrylate adhesives are resistant to a wide range of chemicals, making them suitable for use in harsh environments. High strength. Acrylate adhesives can bond materials with high tensile strength, making them ideal for use in structural applications. Applications of acrylate adhesives. Acrylate adhesives have a wide range of applications in technology, including electrical. Acrylate adhesives are used in the production of electrical devices, providing excellent electrical insulation properties. Optical. Acrylate adhesives are used in the production of optical devices, providing a transparent bond. Medical. Acrylate adhesives are used in the production of medical devices, providing a strong and biocompatible bond. Automotive. Acrylate adhesives are used in the assembly of automotive parts, providing a strong and durable bond. Conclusion. In conclusion, epoxy and acrylate adhesives are two of the most commonly used types of adhesive products in technology today. They have a wide range of applications, providing a means of bonding materials together without the need for mechanical fasteners. Understanding the properties and applications of these adhesives is essential for developing new technologies and addressing engineering challenges. By recognizing the importance of adhesive products, we can better appreciate their impact on our daily lives and contribute to further scientific advancements. Advancements in adhesive technology. The use of adhesive products in technology is continuously evolving, with new advancements being made to improve their properties and applications. Here are some of the recent advancements in adhesive technology. Hybrid adhesives. Hybrid adhesives combine the properties of different types of adhesives, such as epoxy and polyurethane adhesives, to create a new type of adhesive with improved properties. Hybrid adhesives have a wide range of applications, including in the construction industry, where they are used to bond materials such as wood, metal, and concrete. Bio-based adhesives. Bio-based adhesives are made from renewable resources, such as plant-based materials, and are considered a more sustainable alternative to traditional adhesives. Bio-based adhesives have applications in many industries, including the automotive, packaging, and construction industries. Self-healing adhesives. Self-healing adhesives have the ability to repair themselves when damaged, making them ideal for use in applications where durability is critical. Self-healing adhesives have applications in the aerospace and automotive industries, where they can be used to repair small cracks and damage to materials. Smart adhesives. Smart adhesives are able to respond to changes in their environment, such as temperature or humidity, and adjust their properties accordingly. Smart adhesives have applications in many industries, including electronics and biomedicine. Nanoadhesives. Nanoadhesives are adhesives that are composed of nanoparticles, which provide improved properties such as increased strength and durability. Nanoadhesives have applications in many industries, including the aerospace, automotive, and electronics industries. Conclusion. In conclusion, adhesive technology is continuously evolving, with new advancements being made to improve their properties and applications. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize many industries, from construction to biomedicine. Understanding the properties and applications of adhesive products is essential for developing new technologies and addressing engineering challenges. By recognizing the importance of adhesive technology, we can better appreciate their impact on our daily lives and contribute to further scientific advancements. Challenges and future directions of adhesive technology. While adhesive technology has made significant advancements in recent years, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. Here are some of the challenges and future directions of adhesive technology. Environmental concerns. Many traditional adhesives contain harmful chemicals that can have a negative impact on the environment. As a result, there is a growing need for more sustainable and eco-friendly adhesive products. Adhesion to different materials. Adhesives can be challenging to bond to certain materials, such as low surface energy plastics and metals. Future advancements in adhesive technology will focus on developing adhesives that can bond to a wider range of materials. High temperature resistance. While epoxy adhesives can withstand high temperatures, most other types of adhesives are not suitable for use in high temperature environments. Future advancements in adhesive technology will focus on developing adhesives that can withstand higher temperatures. Durability. Adhesives can degrade over time due to environmental factors such as UV light and moisture. Future advancements in adhesive technology will focus on developing more durable adhesives that can withstand harsh environments. Automation. The use of adhesive products in manufacturing and production processes is increasing, and there is a growing need for automated application methods to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Future directions of adhesive technology. As the demand for adhesive products continues to grow, future advancements. The applications of organic compounds in paper manufacturing, bleaching agents and paper binders. Organic compounds are widely used in paper manufacturing as bleaching agents and paper binders. In this article, we will explore the properties and applications of these compounds in the paper industry. Bleaching agents. Bleaching agents are used to remove impurities and color from wood pulp, resulting in a brighter and whiter paper. Chlorine compounds were traditionally used as bleaching agents, but their use has declined due to environmental concerns. Organic compounds such as hydrogen peroxide and sodium chlorate are now commonly used as bleaching agents. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizing agent that is commonly used as a bleaching agent in the paper industry. Its properties include environmentally friendly. Hydrogen peroxide does not produce harmful byproducts, making it a more sustainable alternative to chlorine compounds. Selective. Hydrogen peroxide can selectively bleach certain types of lignin, resulting in a brighter and whiter paper. Safe. Hydrogen peroxide is non-toxic and does not pose a risk to worker safety. Sodium chlorate. Sodium chlorate is a powerful oxidizing agent that is commonly used as a bleaching agent in the paper industry. Its properties include cost-effective. Sodium chlorate is a cost-effective alternative to hydrogen peroxide. Effective. Sodium chlorate is highly effective at removing impurities and color from wood pulp. Safety concerns. Sodium chlorate can be hazardous if not handled properly, and its use is subject to strict regulations. Paper binders. Paper binders are used to hold the fibers in paper together, providing strength and stability to the final product. Organic compounds such as starch and synthetic resins are commonly used as paper binders. Starch. Starch is a natural polymer that is commonly used as a binder in paper manufacturing. Its properties include renewable. Starch is derived from a renewable resource and is considered a more sustainable alternative to synthetic resins. Biodegradable. Starch is biodegradable, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Cost-effective. Starch is a cost-effective binder option for paper manufacturing. Synthetic resins. Synthetic resins are polymeric materials that are commonly used as binders in paper manufacturing. They are typically derived from petroleum and have properties such as strength. Synthetic resins provide excellent strength and stability to paper products. Water resistance. Synthetic resins can provide water resistance to paper products, making them suitable for use in packaging materials. Durability. Synthetic resins can provide durability to paper products, improving their lifespan and resistance to wear and tear. Applications of organic compounds in paper manufacturing. Organic compounds have a wide range of applications in paper manufacturing, including printing and writing papers. Organic compounds such as hydrogen peroxide and sodium chlorate are commonly used as bleaching agents in the production of printing and writing papers. Packaging materials. Synthetic resins are commonly used as binders in the production of packaging materials such as corrugated boxes and paper bags. Tissue papers. Starch is commonly used as a binder in the production of tissue papers, providing strength and softness to the final product. Specialty papers. Organic compounds such as titanium dioxide and calcium carbonate are commonly used as filler materials in the production of specialty papers such as photographic papers and label papers. Conclusion. In conclusion, organic compounds are essential in paper manufacturing, providing a means of bleaching wood pulp and binding paper fibers together. Understanding the properties and applications of these compounds is essential for developing new technologies and addressing engineering challenges. By recognizing the importance of organic compounds in paper manufacturing, we can better appreciate their impact on our daily lives and contribute to further scientific advancements. Challenges and future directions in organic compounds in paper manufacturing. While organic compounds have been widely used in paper manufacturing, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. Here are some of the challenges and future directions of organic compounds in paper manufacturing. Environmental concerns, the use of certain organic compounds in paper manufacturing, such as synthetic resins, can have a negative impact on the environment. As a result, there is a growing need for more sustainable and eco-friendly binder options. Cost. The cost of organic compounds used in paper manufacturing can be a challenge, particularly for smaller paper manufacturers. Future advancements in organic chemistry will focus on developing cost-effective options. Performance. Organic compounds used as binders in paper manufacturing must provide excellent strength and stability to the final product. Future advancements in organic chemistry will focus on developing binder options that provide improved performance and durability. Regulatory requirements. The use of organic compounds in paper manufacturing is subject to strict regulatory requirements, particularly regarding environmental impact. Future advancements in organic chemistry will focus on developing compounds that meet these regulatory requirements. Future directions in organic compounds in paper manufacturing. As the demand for sustainable and eco-friendly paper products continues to grow, future advancements in organic compounds in paper manufacturing will focus on developing products with improved properties and applications. Here are some potential future directions of organic compounds in paper manufacturing. Bio-based binders. Bio-based binders derived from renewable resources, such as starch and cellulose, are being developed to provide a more sustainable option for paper manufacturing. Nanocellulose. Nanocellulose, a type of cellulose with nanoscale dimensions, is being developed as a potential alternative to synthetic resins. Enzymatic bleaching. Enzymatic bleaching, which uses enzymes to remove impurities and color from wood pulp, is being developed as a more sustainable alternative to traditional bleaching agents. Green chemistry. Green chemistry principles, such as the use of non-toxic and renewable resources, are being applied to the development of organic compounds in paper manufacturing. Conclusion. In conclusion, organic compounds have a wide range of applications in paper manufacturing, providing a means of bleaching wood pulp and binding paper fibers together. While there are still challenges to be addressed, future advancements in organic chemistry have the potential to revolutionize the paper industry, providing more sustainable and eco-friendly options for paper manufacturing. By recognizing the importance of organic compounds in paper manufacturing, we can better appreciate their impact on our daily lives and contribute to further scientific advancements. Examples of innovative organic compounds in paper manufacturing. In recent years, several innovative organic compounds have been developed for use in paper manufacturing. Here are some examples. Lignin-based binders. Lignin, a natural polymer found in wood, is being developed as a potential binder option for paper manufacturing. Lignin-based binders have the potential to reduce the use of synthetic resins and provide a more sustainable option for paper manufacturing. Chitosan-based binders. Chitosan, a natural polymer derived from chitin, is being developed as a binder option for paper manufacturing. Chitosan-based binders have properties such as biodegradability and antimicrobial activity, making them suitable for use in packaging materials. Espionage and intelligence activities related to nuclear weapons programs of different countries. The proliferation of nuclear weapons is a major concern for the international community due to the catastrophic consequences of their use. As a result, countries have developed nuclear weapons programs to ensure their national security. However, the development of nuclear weapons requires significant resources and expertise, leading to concerns about the spread of nuclear technology and materials to non-state actors. To prevent this, countries engage in espionage and intelligence activities to gather information about the nuclear weapons programs of other countries. In this article, we will explore the history, methods, and implications of espionage and intelligence activities related to nuclear weapons programs. History of espionage and intelligence activities related to nuclear weapons programs. Espionage and intelligence activities related to nuclear weapons programs have been ongoing since the Cold War era. The United States and the Soviet Union engaged in a nuclear arms race, each country seeking to gain an advantage over the other. As a result, both countries engaged in espionage and intelligence activities to gather information about the nuclear weapons programs of their rivals. During the 1950s and 1960s, the United States developed a spy plane called the U-2 to gather intelligence about the Soviet Union's nuclear weapons program. The U-2 was able to fly at high altitudes, allowing it to avoid detection by Soviet radar. However, in 1960, a U-2 plane piloted by France's Gary Powers was shot down over the Soviet Union, leading to a major diplomatic incident. In the 1980s, the United States developed a spy satellite called the KH-11 to gather intelligence about the Soviet Union's nuclear weapons program. The KH-11 was able to take high-resolution images of Soviet missile sites and other sensitive locations. The United States also used human intelligence sources, such as defectors and double agents, to gather information about the Soviet Union's nuclear weapons program. Methods of espionage and intelligence activities related to nuclear weapons programs. Espionage and intelligence activities related to nuclear weapons programs involve a range of methods, including technical collection. Technical collection involves the use of satellites, spy planes, and other technical means to gather information about nuclear weapons programs. This includes the collection of signals intelligence, such as intercepting communications between scientists and engineers involved in nuclear weapons programs. Human intelligence. Human intelligence involves the use of spies, defectors, and other human sources to gather information about nuclear weapons programs. This includes the recruitment of individuals with access to sensitive information, such as